Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 2b multiplied by 2 minus s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2b. Because we just do first the derivative of this one, this is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, that's why we have negative number 1 with 2b, and that's why we have this one in here. dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one and this one, we have like this. Now we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1, minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have negative 2b, negative with negative in here, we have positive. So I will put this one go in here. So the integration of 3 to the power of s and 2 to the power of s, we have like this. We have ln number 3, but we have another ln number 3, so we have ln number 3 to the power of 2. Similar for the second one. Now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. So we have the final answer. So I will put number 1 gone here. And number 0 gone here. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 3, number 2. This one number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. This one we have number 1 and number 1. Number 3, number 2, number 1 and number 1. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.